Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many users are calling the best multi-tool on the market. The Dewalt 20V Max XR Oscillating Toolkit, model DCS356C1. If you're in the market for a versatile and powerful tool that can handle a variety of tasks, stay tuned as we explore its features, performance, and what sets it apart from the competition. Let's start with the core features that make this oscillating tool a must-have for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Dewalt 20V Max XR is equipped with a powerful brushless motor that not only extends its runtime but also delivers up to 57% more efficiency compared to brushed motors. This means you can tackle larger projects without worrying about the battery dying on you mid-task. One of the standout features is the 3-speed selector. This allows you to adjust the speed based on your specific application, giving you ultimate control whether you're sanding, cutting, or scraping. Coupled with a dual-grip variable speed trigger, you can fine-tune your approach for the task at hand. It's intuitive and easy to use, making it perfect for intricate work. Now, let's talk about versatility. The Dewalt oscillating tool comes with a universal accessory adapter, enabling it to work with most accessory brands on the market. This is particularly useful if you already have a collection of blades and attachments from other tools. Changing accessories is a breeze, thanks to the Quick Change accessory system, which eliminates the need for wrenches and saves you valuable time on the job. Another feature worth highlighting is the built-in bright LED light. This light illuminates your workspace, ensuring you can see clearly in dark corners or poorly lit areas. Whether you're working in a dimly lit room or under a sink, this tool ensures you have visibility where you need it most. Let's not overlook the design. Dewalt has crafted this tool with user comfort in mind. The ergonomic design and lightweight feel make it easy to handle for extended periods without fatigue. The variable speed control gives you the flexibility to adjust to different materials, making it suitable for cutting through wood, metal, or even drywall. Speaking of power, the Dewalt 20V Max XR is battery-powered, which means you can work anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. The 20V Max battery is not only powerful but also compatible with other Dewalt tools, adding to the value of your investment. The kit typically comes with a battery and charger, ensuring you're ready to go right out of the box. So, what can you do with this oscillating tool? The possibilities are nearly endless. Whether you're making precise cuts in wood, sanding surfaces for a smooth finish, or scraping away old paint, this tool can do it all. It's perfect for home improvement projects, renovations, and even crafting. With the Dewalt 20V Max XR, you're equipped to tackle a variety of tasks efficiently. In conclusion, the Dewalt 20V Max XR Oscillating Toolkit, model DCS356C1, stands out as an exceptional multi-tool that offers power, versatility, and user-friendly features. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a weekend warrior, this tool is designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more product reviews and critiques. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.